again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Pennsylvania on the Stryker SR-447hpc2. James, you chose the tuning alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Just set it 2 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it all the way up. Look at about 16. Show you average power swing. Hello, 46 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 1, 2, audio, hello, audio. About 92 peak. James, I'm gonna get this out to you, but I hope you enjoy it. For your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Welcome to the weekend. Bump bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.